how do I create a menu as a chef on a yacht? So this is a 2-month trip, and I don't want my guests to be repeating the same meal over and over, or eating the same cuts of meat over and over. So what I do is I think about every animal. Cow. Then I break down cow. So I think about all the different cuts in the cow. We can do brisket, short rib, strip, flank, ribeye. So I'll go through every single cut of meat, and then I think about a dish that will go with that cut of meat. So, you know, flank steak, we could do fajitas. Ribeye, could just do a nice grilled ribeye with a peppercorn sauce. Short rib, I could do braised short ribs. So I think about all the different cuts and all the different dishes that I could do with the cuts. Then we go into chicken, okay? Then I break down the chicken. Whole chicken, do a nice roasted whole chicken. Then I could do chicken wings, fry up the chicken wings. Then chicken thighs, I can do a braised chicken thigh dish. And then go on to chicken breast. Chicken breast is so versatile, so I could do so many different dishes with that. Next, pork. Pork ribs, pork loin, bacon. So I break down the meat and then the subcategories of the meat, and then think of a dish from there. I make sure to do a lot of different cuisines, so they don't get tired of eating similar dishes. This is my journal where I keep everything. I have a tentative menu for the whole 2-month trip, but based on what's in the refrigerator, what's going bad that day, or what will go bad the next day, I will make sure to include that in the dish. So this is like my daily menu. I write tons of notes in here, keep track of everything in my little journal. So this, I pretty much sleep with this. So that's how I make my menus as a chef on a yacht.